Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Revani Kartika and I am from English Language Education Study Program Pakuan University. Here, I will show you my internship teaching learning online video at SMP Negeri 11 Bogor. So, let's check this out. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning everyone. Good morning students.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
Great. I'm also have a good day today because I meet you today. Have you had your breakfast today?
Not yet.
Not yet. Why? Why, Rafi? You don't take your
I
breakfast.
woke up too late.
Oh, I also wake up late today. A bit late, but not really. Okay. Now, before we start the class today, I will ask you what we have learned last week. Anyone want to answer, or you can answer together? What we have learned last week? The last week material.
Language features.
Yeah, great language features. Do you still remember what is the language feature of narrative text? On Naila, you can unmute your audio. I cannot hear your voice. What? So what is the language feature of narrative text? The key of the language feature of narrative text is using
Simple past tense.
Okay, great. The key of language features of narrative text is using simple past tense, because narrative text is a story that tell past experience or past. And now, before we start the class today, I will tell you what is the goals of this class. At the end of the class, I hope you are be able to write or make a personal experience narrative text. Before we start the class, do you know quizzes? Do you familiar with quizzes? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now we will have some fun at the quizzes. This one, you can also enter the code.
Connection.
Can you join? Should we start? Are you ready? Are you ready? Please say yes if you're ready. Okay, I will start the quizzes. Okay.
Okay.
Good luck. Just see your phone. done, all of you? Have you done? This sound is annoyed for me. Can you?
Lagunya berusaha. Ya kan?
So have you done these quizzes? Let me see. Raffi is in the first place and Arkan is in the second place. Okay, I will ask Raffi. Raffi, in the first question, have you ever experienced something bad or have a problem? What did you answer?
Yes, I have.
Okay. What kind of bad experience did you experience?
Probably nightmares.
Nightmares. See, this is the third place. Ajeng, Arkan, and okay, we have who? Let's see. All of you, I think, at least you know what we will learn today. Okay, I will stop share this one. Okay, can you guess what we will learn today after you answer all of those questions? You have
Personal
answered.
experience.
Yeah, great. Personal experience. Great. Personal experience and recount text, same. Is personal narrative text and recount text is same, are same, or they different? Do you want to answer? Please, anyone speak up. Okay. Personal experience and recount text are different. Why? They are different. They also talk about our experience, right? Why? Why personal experience and recount text different? Why, Raffi?
Because context is more of a fiction or maybe to entertain the readers, and
Okay.
personal experience is just based on our
It's
experience.
It is true, but Raffi's answer is merujuk. What is merujuk? It's referred to the narrative for generally. Personal experience and recount text are different because the generic structure are different, right? The personal experience has different generic structure with recount text, but they also still same because talk or tell the readers about our experience. Can you see the difference between narrative text and recount text? Okay, read this one carefully. Recount text. Narrative text, social function past events. This is also past events for recount text. In the past. Okay, we will jump to the next. This one, the generic structure of narrative text. Sorry, and this is the language feature. We have learned this last week. Yeah. And this is recount text, generic structure, and language features. This one. The differences between Recount text and narrative text is only in the event. In the events. Generic structure. Narrative text generic structure has complication and resolution, but in recount text doesn't have complication or resolution. It also have events. An event it describes series of events that happen in the past. The language features is also different. The same is they using simple past tense and also conjunction and time connective. This one is the differences and this one is the differences. Adverb and adverbial phrase. Now I will share you the example of recount text. This one. Why I cannot share this? Okay, can you see? Where is the orientation? Where
Spend
is?
his holiday in school.
Great, Saraya. The first paragraph is telling the orientation. And where is the event? Where is the event? Is the event in paragraph 2 or 3? 2. Okay. The event is right in the paragraph 2. And the last is, oh my god, why it's going to black? The last paragraph is reorientation. Now I want you to write a personal narrative text berdasarkan pengalaman pribadi kalian. Can you do this? Can you do that? It's Miss Sinta.
Yes.
Yes. Why? Miss Sinta appears in my camera. You all say. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes. Is it enough to write a personal narrative text? Personal experience narrative text. Yep. Okay, you can. I guess you can because it's simple text. Because all of you have experienced some problems or bad experience. Remember to write the text mengikuti generic structure yang ada di narrative text. Don't forget to put the complication. The complication is right. It's like your problems. I will give you an example. I had an experience where I went to do fun. But I lost my phone. There. The complication is I lost my phone. So what is the resolution? I let my phone to other person because I cannot get back my phone. Sampai di sini, apakah bisa dimengerti? Contoh lainnya lagi. Sekarang kan kalian lagi belajar di rumah nih karena pandemi. Nah, pasti banyak masalah atau beberapa hal yang kalian alami. Iya kan? Kayak gini. Kalian mau belajar, tapi rasanya males banget buat belajar. Itu suatu masalah. Itu bisa dimasukin ke komplikasinya. Complication. Nah, di resolution ya, how you solve your laziness. Gimana caranya kalian menyelesaikan atau kembali rajin untuk belajar. Gimana caranya kalian melakukan itu? Itu bisa dimasukin ke resolusinya. Personal experience is we can say also as a bad experience because there is complications appears in the story. Yep. Do you understand? Say it louder if you understand. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, great. I will give you 5 minutes. Is it 5 minutes or 10 minutes? 5. 5 minutes. If you don't have much time, I will extend the time. But first we will write in 5 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Have you done? The time is shows. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Who wants to share your experience to your friends? Saraya? Raffi? Just read the text. Okay, Raffi. Do you want to
Read.
share your
Ini share screen, Miss.
Boleh. Boleh share screen.
Di disable.
Oh, how come? Wait. Dah. Can you share your task? Okay. Okay. We will read this one first. Raffi, you can read your text. It's Friday night.
It was Friday night. My mom left me to go to the supermarket with my sister. My father was at work back then. I'm home alone with my grandma. The wind blows through my windows, the sound of windows and doors screeching. The cold, harsh wind was back then. I was still a child. I'm scared, and I go to my room, and I go to my room and watch a movie. Then, after I watched a movie, I fell asleep. It was afternoon that time. I shouldn't be asleep because I shouldn't be asleep because I will
Wake up late.
eh,
Woke up late.
bentar.
I will wake up late. It's right.
Oh yeah, but I slept and I woke up on the middle of the night. It was cold, so I went outside my room and go to the kitchen. I felt someone was behind me or watching me. It felt different at that time. The aura just felt a little weird. Now I'm stuck. I can't sleep. There's nothing much I can do. I feel getting
Okay,
real late. I'm
stop
really
there.
scared.
We will
Oh,
we will discuss the first paragraph. Okay. Can you up to the first paragraph, please, Raffi?
please.
Yeah. This one. Okay. It was Friday night. My mom left. It was Friday night. This is right. It refers to the conjunction time or the time patterns. Yeah. Anyone knows what is Raffi told in the first paragraph? Is anyone knows? One person. Hello. Hello. Why you are still be quiet? This. In the first paragraph, Raffi told us that she is only she is alone in his house when he is child, and he is scared because he was scared because he felt some weird. I think it is a ghost or it's just your hallucination. Maybe because Rafi's story is he is still child. Okay, this is the orientation. We jump to the complication, Rafi. The complication. Nah,
Dibaca lagi.
ya boleh dibaca.
I'm really scared and trying to find someone, but my grandma's room door is locked. I went straight to bed. It was almost that daylight, and then the sound of the door goes, "Dun, dun." The sound of someone knock. I'm terrified. I quickly pray as the sound is getting louder at first. It was like someone knocked, then it sounded like someone bashed. Suddenly, I'm on my knees and I can't move. As the sound of my door just opened, a tall man went into my room with heavy breathing. I can't move. At that time, I'm desperate. There's also sound. It's really annoying me. It's ringing really hard. And just like that, I thought I was dead.
Wow, it's really a plot twist. You thought that you were dead. Okay, this is right the complication. Raffi, okay, I want to ask you, what is the complication in this story? Please, someone tell me. Saraya.
The complication is when he saw the guy, the tall guy,
Okay, it's right. He thought there is someone in his house, so he was scared. Okay, Raffi, you have to correct your what is language features. The simple past tense. Am is refers to the simple present tense. So you have to change the am to be the to be am to the was. So if you if you
Oh yeah.
if you use am in your story, you have to change it into was. I was really scared like this. Do you understand? Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
I understand.
Okay. We have to jump to the last paragraph. The resolution. The
But the
resolution.
sound ringing But the sound ringing was my alarm, and I woke up from my dream. I realized that and quickly take a wudu and pray. I'm relieved by that, and I took a deep breath and just went back to my ordinary life doing everyday works. It's really terrifying, but we gotta take nightmare as some lesson. I shouldn't sleep on afternoon so I don't wake up too late, and I should be more aware of my surrounding and take action more wisely.
Wow. It's great, Rafi. It's a fun story for me. Yeah. Can you take what we call benang merah in this story? Someone. The resolution is all Rafi's thought is only in his dream. and it was not right. So the resolution also, he solved his problem. This, he shouldn't sleep on afternoon.
Oh,
Oke. Emang sebenarnya nggak boleh tidur sore-sore itu, bukan? Betul. Jadi dia mimpi, ternyata mimpinya mimpi buruk, kayak gitu. Oke, tepuk tangan dong buat Raffi. Kalian bisa ngasih reaction kan, tepuk tangan? Ini keren banget. Oke, Raffi boleh di stop share. Nah, you have learned about personal narrative experience, and also the generic structure, the language feature of personal narrative experience, and the difference between personal experience and recount text. I want someone tell me what we have learned today.
learn about
Not the,
personal experience.
yeah, and then
About recount text.
okay, Saraya, I will ask you, what is the difference between personal narrative and recount text?
The generic structure.
Okay, what is the generic structure differences?
In recount text, there's only like orientation, events, and reorientations. In personal experience, there's orientation, complication, and resolution.
Great, great. So the differences is complication, resolution, and events, right? Don't forget that. Tujuan pembelajaran kita tadi di awal yaitu kalian diharapkan bisa membuat personal experience. Berarti dari Raffi yang udah tunjukin, tujuan pembelajarannya udah bisa dicapai. Betul? Betul. Kalian pun sudah bisa membuat personal experience sendiri dan bisa membedakan personal experience dengan recount text. Okay. Thank you for your participation in this class today. And don't forget to continue your task to write personal experience and also submit it into the Google Classroom. But before that, you have to you have to show me your work or your story. Okay? Thank you, students. Thank you, guys.
Thank
Goodbye.
you.
Have a good day. You can leave this meet. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.